How to change who can see your story on Facebook. Begin by launching Facebook app on your device. After that, tap on the three horizontal line from the top right corner. Now scroll down to Settings and Privacy option. After that, tap on Settings from the menu. You'll be guided to the Settings page. In the Settings page, search for the Audience and Visibility section. Under the Audience and Visibility section, tap on the Stories option. Here you have different options for the Facebook story. From the options, click on Who Can See Your Story option. Here you have 4 options of who can see your story. Select the option Public if you want to let anyone on Facebook to see your story. If you want to allow only your friends, then select Friends. But if you want to hide the story from few other friends, then tap on Friends Except option and select the profile of the friends you want to hide your story from. You can also customize your list by tapping on the Custom button. Once you select any of the 4 options, tap on the Save button. And that's how you can change who can see your story on Facebook.